Good morning everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Students, today we will do question number 6 from the chapter decimals. So let's start. The question is convert into fractions. No need to write, stop writing everyone, only put your whole concentration on understanding. After that I will give you time for writing. Look, decimal is given to you. This is decimal form 71.002 and the question is to convert into fractions. To convert this into fraction, I will remove this decimal. Now count the places on the right hand side of decimal, not on the left hand side of decimal. So this is decimal. Count the places on the right hand side of decimal. 1, 2, 3. How many places? 3 places. So here 3 places. It means when we remove this decimal, look, 7, 1, I am going to remove this decimal. 0, 0, 2. Because we have 3 places, it means we will write 3 zeros in the denominator along with 1. So this decimal will change to fraction. This is fraction. Next is one more part, C part. 754.001. This is the C part. Again, first step is to check the decimal places. So this is decimal. Check the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Again, in this question we have 3 places. So write down 7, 5, 4. Now remove this decimal. You will not write decimal here, only write 001. 001. 3 places. 3 decimal places means after removing decimal we will write 3 zeros in the denominator. So along with 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is fraction. Similarly, we have come to the F part. F part is 100.1. This is F part. Now tell me, after the decimal you have how many digits? And after removing decimal, you will write what in the denominator? You will write 1000 in the denominator, you will write 100 in the denominator, or you will write 10 in the denominator? Yes, tell me. Very good, Mehak. Well done. Very good, Smriti. Yes. Very good, Angel Preet. Very good, Kinjal. Well done. Yes. Now, look here. Here we have decimal, only 1 digit, 1 decimal place. No? Here you have 1 decimal place. 1. So 1 decimal place. 1 means after removing this decimal, write down. This is 1, 0, 0, 1. And after removing this decimal, we will write 10 in the denominator. So this is the method to change decimal number to the fraction. Now the next is, come to the H part. .64 Now tell me, after the decimal we have how many digits? Very good, well done. Yes, Raghav.
मैं आप जो ऐसे सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन में जैसे आपने करवाया 710.00 मैम, उसमें आपने ऊपर 6 लगा के 3 प्लेसेस लिखे। मैम ये हमने भी करना है,
हाँ
साथ
जी,
लिखना है।
तो लिख लो, करोगे तो बेटर है आपके लिए। Okay, now look here. Here we have two decimal places. This is decimal. This is two decimal places. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. Two decimal places. Fine. So you will write 836464 divided by 100. Whenever you will write 1000 in the denominator, 10 in the denominator, 100 in the denominator, then you will not put decimal here. ऐसा नहीं है, भी यहां पे भी लिख दो, डेसिमल भी लगा दो और 100 भी लिख दो, ये गलत है, दिस इज रॉन्ग. Whenever you will write this thing, it means you will not show decimal here. This is wrong. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, डेसिमल को भी लिख देते हैं और ये 100 भी अप्लाई कर देते हैं. नो, ये 100 आया ही इसको रिमूव करके. तो जब आपने इसको 100 को नीचे लिखा है तो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल डेसिमल नहीं दिखना चाहिए, अदरवाइज 0 मार्क्स विल बी गिवन टू यू. फाइन, नोट डाउन, note down all the parts. Whenever any question is based on decimal, na, we will check the right hand side. Right hand side, because decimal left hand side is based on the Indian system and the right hand side is based on the decimal system. So any modification we will make on the basis of right hand side, not on the basis of this left hand side. Write down. Yes, Nishchay.
मैम मैंने पूछना था कि ये जो से पॉइंट करते हैं मैम, जैसे ए पार्ट में 002 है मैम, हमने जितने डिजिट होएंगे पॉइंट के बाद मैम उतने 0 लिख दिया हमने.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल, जितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस होंगे, इसको डेसिमल प्लेसेस बोलते हैं ना. डेसिमल के बाद जो डिजिट होते हैं इनको हम डेसिमल प्लेसेस बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज 1 2 3 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस, सो 3 zeros. डेसिमल के बाद 1 डेसिमल प्लेस, 1 0. आफ्टर द डेसिमल 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस, सो 2 zeros.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, write down, then we will start question number 7. Convert the following into decimals. Question number 7 is convert into decimals. Now look here. This is fraction. Numerator, denominator. Fraction is with you now, and the question is to convert this into decimal. This question is reverse of question number 6. Fine. Now check. 1 0. 1 0 means here you will put decimal after the 1 digit and start counting your digit from the right hand side. So write down this 2, not start from this side, start doing sum from the right hand side. So this is 1 0, so write down 2. 1 0 means after writing 1 digit you will put decimal here. So this is 19.2. Why decimal here? Because we have only 1 0. 1 0 means first of all write this to 1 digit Then after, according to this is 1 0. This is 1 0. So 1 0 means after the 1 digit you will put decimal here. Fine. Now come to the next. Now come to the next. And one more thing, students, whenever you put the decimal now, write the position of decimal here. Okay? This is the correct position of decimal here. This is. Now come to the next. B part, 1543 divided by 100. Now tell me, how many zeros in the denominator? Here you have 2 zeros. Here we have 2 zeros. 2 zeros in the denominator. It means decimal after the, you will put the decimal after writing 2 digits and start writing digit from the right hand side. Now first of all write this 3. Then write this 4. This is 2. 1, 2. 2 zeros. 1, 2. After 2 digits, put decimal here. And then write 5 and this is 1. So 15 decimal 43. Look, students. Now, look here. 1 0. It means 1 digit, put decimal here. 2 zeros, it means 2 digits. Look here, 2 digits and put decimal here. Students, do not write. Only put your whole concentration on understanding. Don't write anything. After that, I will give you time for writing. Now, the next is D part. 9736 divided by 1000. Now tell me, how many zeros and you will put decimal after how many digits? After writing how many digits? Advika. Yes.
We will put 0 after 7. So 9.
No. Your answer is correct. We will not put 0. We will put a decimal.
Oh yes, decimal.
Okay, not 0. We will put the decimal. Okay. So how many zeros? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. 3 zeros. Here you have 3 zeros. It means, first of all, write down 6 means 1. Then 3. This is in counting 2. Then 7. So this is 1, 2, 3. So decimal here. Then write down 9. Okay. So this is the way to write fraction in term of decimal. Students, note down. Then I will explain next part from this. Don't write like this. 973 decimal 6. This is wrong. Don't count from the left hand side. Start counting digits from the right hand side. This is 6 in counting means 1. This is 3 in counting 2 digits. This is 7 in counting 3 digits. Whenever the question is based on decimal, we will make modification on the basis of right hand side, not on the basis of left hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits, you will put here decimal. Yes. Come to the next part. Come to the C part. part is 94 divided by 1000. Divya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Divya, tell me, you will put decimal after writing how many digits here?
After writing 2 zeros, 0.094.
Why? What is the reason? Tell me, beta, what is the reason?
Because there is 1 zero left.
Very good. So we have 1 0, 1 digit. Because one place left, one digit left, not 1 0 left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. 3 zeros means we will put decimal after the 3 digits. But हमारे पास तो यहाँ पे 3 digits है ही नहीं. तो पहले हम इसको लिखेंगे 4 को, फिर हम क्या लिखेंगे 9 को. हमें कितने digits चाहिए? 3 digits. On the basis of these 3 zeros, we required 3 digits. But here only 2 digits are given. So to fill that third position, we will write 0 here. Okay. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So after 3 digits, we will put here decimal, and here again we will write 0. So this is the correct form. Don't insert 0 on the right hand side, means don't write like this 940 and put a decimal here. This is wrong. Decimal we will put after the 3 digits. पहले सबसे पहले जो given है उसको लिखो. 4 है 4 लिखा, 9 है 9 को लिखना है हमने. बट अभी भी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है. तो रिक्वायरमेंट कंप्लीट करने के लिए यहाँ पे आप 0 लगाओगे, क्योंकि हमारी मूवमेंट ऐसे हो रही है. ओके, हम कैसे मूव कर रहे हैं? राइट टू लेफ्ट. तो जैसे आपकी मूवमेंट हो रही है उस साइड ही आपने 0 लगाना है. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में 0 अप्लाई नहीं करना. फाइन?
यस मैम.
Now come to the next. F part 6 divided by 1000. Darsh. Darsh, raise your hand. Yes. Manmeet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, Manmeet, after how many digits you will put here decimal?
Ma'am, after 3 digits.
After 3 digits. Okay. Why after 3 digits? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because 3 zeros are given.
Yes, because in the denominator we have 3 zeros. Now tell me, in the numerator 3 digits are given or not?
Not.
Then,
Not given.
Then how will you complete that places?
By putting zeros.
Now, whenever you put zeros, you will put zeros like this, means, or like this. Tell me, out of these two, which is correct? Upper one or lower one?
Lower one.
Very good. Because modification, first of all, you will write, we always start with this. This is 6. But the requirement is of 3 digits. 3 digits now. So we will put 2 zeros here. Now in counting 1, 2, 3. So here you will put the decimal and then again 0 here. Very good. Well done.
Thank you.
Now write down and then we will start exercise 6B. Yes. Next is exercise 6B. Now students, tell me one thing. Is there any difference between 2 and 2 decimal 0? 100 and 100 decimal 0? Any difference? Yes, Natansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, Natansh, is there any difference? 2 decimal
Ma'am, no.
0? Huh?
Ma'am, no.
Yes, very good. No difference. It means if any number is given which is without decimal, then we can write that number in term of decimal like this. If I am talking about 149, no decimal is given, no decimal. And I want to write this number in term of decimal. Then I will write this
149.0.
0.0 decimal 0. So this is modification. This is one kind of modification to write whole number in term of decimal number, but the value is same. ये नहीं है कि इसकी इन दोनों की value different है, no. This is only the way to write this number in term of decimal. इन दोनों का same ही meaning है. चाहे आप 149 लिखो, चाहे आप 149 डेसिमल 0 लिखो, दोनों में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है. फाइन. Because the knowledge of this thing is important when you are doing addition or subtraction. Because some numbers are given in the book which are without decimal. Then first of all you will write that number in term of decimal like this. Now come to the fourth, 6th B, first question. A part. Add. Samriti, ma'am, if the decimal is given before number, there is difference, ma'am. Yes, Samriti, wait. I am going to unmute you. Now tell me.
Good morning.
Yes, Samriti, tell me. According to you, like this, 124 or 124 decimal, this?
Yes.
Yes, difference. This is difference. These two are different. All the students note down. This is a decimal form ना, because the decimal on the left hand side. यहाँ पे आपका decimal left hand side पे आ गया, तो both are different, but these two are same. Here, these two are same. क्योंकि जब आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कोई मॉडिफिकेशन करते हो ना, ये देखो, ये आपका डेसिमल की प्लेस नंबर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो डेसिमल आता है वो डिवाइड करने से आता है, तो ये दोनों डिफरेंट है. यहाँ मैंने जो डेसिमल अप्लाई की है वो कहाँ अप्लाई की है? राइट हैंड साइड पे नंबर पे, तो इन दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, ये दोनों सेम है. ये अपने माइंड में रखो, जब भी डेसिमल लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे होता है इट मींस वो डिवीजन से आया है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिवीजन. सो These two are different because this is the decimal form. This is the decimal form after division. After division. And this is a simple number. So both are different, but these two are same. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, A part is add, and the question is, stop writing, students. After that, I will give you time for writing. Look here. The first number is 143 decimal 21. Then, whenever you write the second number, then first of all, you will assign position to decimal. First of all, write decimal here. First of all. Then 89. This side. This is 9 and this is 8. And after that, on the right hand side, we have 0, 2, 5. Again, whenever we will write third number, first of all, write decimal. Then 1, 0, 0, 1. And on the right hand side, we have 0, 0, 2. Again, next is, first of all, write decimal here. First of all. On the left hand side, we have 5, 7, 9. And on the right hand side, we have 3, 5. This thing is very important. Position of decimal. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Decimal. In all the 4 numbers, decimal in a same column. Same column. Look, you will not change the position of decimal. ये नहीं है अभी किसी नंबर का डेसिमल लेफ्ट में जाए, किसी का राइट में जाए. नो, डेसिमल की पोजीशन आपकी एक लाइन में होनी चाहिए. बिल्कुल. ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द वेकेंट पोजीशंस, एम्प्टी पोजीशंस? So put 0 here. 0. Vacant positions are filled by 0, then add. Vacant positions are filled by 0. And the result is very good response from all of you. And the result is here decimal, first of all. Then on the right hand side we have 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7, 8. 5. 5, 8, 7. And on the right hand side, Chaitanya, this is 6th B, first question, addition. Check your book. 6th B, A part, first question. At the top, the question is given and you are saying, ma'am, which question? Then, here we have 18. One carry over here. And after that, you have after addition 20. 2 carry. 12 and 1 carry. This is 2. So this is the result. So this is the way to solve the sum. You will not change the position of decimal. This is very important. Your answer is incorrect, Divya. Divya, your answer is incorrect. 2208, then 587 is the correct answer. Yes. All the decimal points are in a column. Same column में. आपने उनका column change नहीं करना. Same column में होंगे वो. Now come to the T part. Yes, very good, Advika. Come to the E part. In the E part, we have 91 decimal 4, 31 decimal 83 and 101. Now, decimal number, not a decimal number. Now tell me, how can you change this number in term of decimal? Kritigya. Yes. Kritigya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Kritigya, 101 is not a decimal number. How will you change this in term of decimal?
Ma'am, by making a decimal and put a zero on the right hand side.
Very good. Yes. अभी मैंने समझाया था ना addition start कराने से पहले. So like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. This is modification. So because 101 is not without decimal, not a decimal number. But these two numbers are decimal numbers. Now we will change this in term of decimal by writing decimal here and 0. Because reason is 101 is same as 101 decimal 0. Because both are same. Okay. Now 91 decimal 4. First of all, put decimal here. Okay. Here you will write the decimal. Then first of all you will write decimal. Then on the left hand side this is 1, this is 3. On the right hand side 8 and 3. Again, first of all you will assign position to decimal. On the left hand side we have 101. Here you will write 1, 0, 1 and then on the right hand side 0. Kritika, what about the vacant positions? Mahi. Mahi, are you hearing me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mahi. Now tell me, Mahi, what about vacant positions? यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई डिजिट नहीं है ना, ये हमारी yes, vacant positions are filled by 0. Yes, very good. Upper of 3 is vacant, so write 0. Lower of 3 is vacant, write 0. Again here 0, 0. Fine. Now addition. This is 3. Then 4 plus 8, 12. 1 carry here. This is 30. Again, so this is 2. So 23 decimal 23. No. Wait. This is 1 carry here. So this is 4. Then 12. 1 carry over here. 224 decimal 23. So this is the result. 224 decimal 23. Write down. And prefer to write result or solution in maths. Don't write answer. Don't use the word answer in maths. If you want to write, then either use solution word or result word. Don't use answer word in maths. Avoid this. Avoid using this answer word in mathematics. Prefer solution or result. Yes, very good, Angel. So result is 224.23. Write down, students. And tell me, by writing like this, 1, 2, 3, three fractions are like decimals or unlike decimals. Whenever we are writing like this, decimal 40, decimal 83, decimal 00, these are like fractions or unlike decimal fractions. Tell me. These are like decimal fractions. How? After decimal 1, 2. After decimal 1, 2. After decimal 1, 2. Same places means these are like decimals. Very good. Now start solving E part. Sorry, E part is done. Start solving F part. Solve F part and tell me the result. $79 decimal 03 13 and next 55 decimal 05. Here, is there any number which is without decimal? Very good. Very good response. In 13, we have no decimal. Now tell me, how can you write this 13 in term of decimal? 13 without decimal? Very good. Well done. Yes. Modification. So this 13 is written as 13 decimal 0. Both are same. Only modification. Now 79 decimal 03. Then put decimal first of all. Then write 3 1 0. One more 0. Then again first of all decimal 5 5 and on the right hand side 05.